How is your online classes? Is it boring? Are you lost the focus? Is it possible to learn in distance learning? What is your choice? Online classes or distance learning? How to be focused on online classes? Since the onset of pandemic, students had to pivot to learning online. Since distance or online learning might have been more than a year, but it still have a challenge. Let's talk about it. Studying at home pace is a lot of distraction. It might be demotivated to be away from your friend at your school. Standing at a screen in all day is not an easy job. It is not always to be hard. We can make some changes to make experience more enjoyable and maximize our learning. Let's face it. Here are some online class tips that will help to be in focus. First one, make a study plan. Second one, look into the support that you available. Next tip is make a study space. Another tip that I can give, build in a regular breaks. Next tip is don't beat up yourself. Next tip is reward yourself. Next tip is enlist other support for you. Let's talk them about briefly. Creating a written study plan to keep on your track. Plan when you are completing your assignment well ahead of deadline. Set a time limit so it helps to focus on your focus at hand. Create a to-do list so you don't miss anything. Next one is, if you have a day when you fail to stick in your plan, let it go. Everyone has a less productive day, and if you let yourself too hungover on a bad day, you will struggle to make the next day a good one. Don't just save reward for big achievement. Treat yourself to nice or short breaks. When you are completing something difficult, if it is not a major milestone, this will build positive association with overcoming challenges. This will encourage you keep on working hard. Lastly, your friend and family are like to be very proud of you doing this. So make use of it. Talk them about what your work is going. Tell them when you are solving a tricky question or you completing a big assignment. Let them beat you up. Their positive word will help you suffer on the next time your motivation is falling. Thank you very much.